The 2026 Toyota Camry LE is the entry-level trim of Toyota's 9th-generation mid-size sedan, which features a fully hybrid lineup. It is designed for maximum efficiency and value, offering a smooth ride with high fuel economy ratings. Key specifications and performance. Powertrain. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system. Horsepower. 225 HP with front-wheel drive, or 232 HP with available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive. Fuel economy. EPA estimated 52 mpg city, 49 mpg highway, and 51 mpg combined for the FWD model. Acceleration. Achieves 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.8 to 7 seconds. Pricing and value. Base MSRP starts at approximately $29,300. AWD option. Adding all-wheel drive typically increases the price by about $1,525. Warranty. Includes a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty, an 8-year, 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, and a 10-year, 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. Interior and technology. Infotainment. Standard 8-inch Toyota Audio multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Seating. Features woven fabric upholstery, available in black or bolder colors, with manual seat adjustments. Climate control. Dual-zone automatic climate control with rear seat vents. Standard tech. A Qi-compatible wireless charging pad and a 7-inch digital gauge cluster. Safety features. The LE comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure alert with steering assist, and lane tracing assist. External comparison. According to Kelley Blue Book, the 2026 Camry is considered a best buy of the year among mid-size cars due to its standard hybrid efficiency and starting price point. Reviewers from Edmunds note that while it is the base trim, it retains high-quality build materials and a quiet cabin.